The other items, let me read for you. Pom Pom Cottage Pie. It sounds more like a name of a residence in Jamaica. Then we have Beef Wellington Tart. Beef Wellington Tart is like the name of a street in downtown London. Beef Wellington Tart. Roasted pork, that one I recognized. French fries I recognize. Grilled lamb. I don't know what's lamb. Maybe the animal, I don't know, the meat of a sheep or something, but the grilled lamb. Then shrimp. I just hear shrimp. Shrimp, I don't know. Shrimp are those sea animals, something. So you just see. So now, that's what I'm saying. Cook local delicacy. That's why I'm saying this video. Cook local delicacy. I want our hotels here in Kenya, the five-star hotels, to cook local delicacy. What are local delicacies? Let me start with my people from Western Kenya. We have ugali. That's the common dish in Kenya. This is made out of flour. One of my videos I made ugali. And then you have chicken kuku. That is cooked chicken. And then we move on, because that can be common everywhere. But now, let's move on to the veggies. Veggies, you have managu. You have ehobi.